Hi, John Campo here, the Not So Neat Chef. Welcome back to my channel. You obviously clicked on this video because you were interested to see what I had in store. What we're going to do today is my version of a sandwich that's going around on the social medias. It's a sandwich that is sort of enclosed, almost like a cake. It's hard to describe. But the only way to really get a good feel for what it is stick around and watch how it's made. Alright, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. I'll add a information card on how to make the dough. It's your typical pizza dough. Our dough pretty much at room temperature. We're gonna spread it out. You want it rectangular or square. You know what? If it winds up being round, it's round. You know, at this point, I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, so I think I have it rolled out enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this. What you do is just put a little bit of flour, put it on your rolling pin, so you could, if you're a perfectionist and you want to make it, you know, as square as possible, more power to you. I'm not a perfectionist. You know what, this looks good. And now we're going to roll out the next one. Okay, so I have the top rolled out. Now we're going to layer the lunch meat. I have ½ a pound of provolone. I'm not sure if it'll take the whole ½ a pound. So what you want to do is leave a border because we're gonna need to seal this, and just put the provolone down. I'm using low sodium ham. Okay. Roasted red peppers. All right. Top it off with some hot copper gold. Or if you don't like the spiciness, then you can use the sweet. And again, the amounts on all these were ½ a pound. We got to take this other dough and get it to the top of that. There we go. You just meet up the ends and the edges, you can seal it. Now if you have holes like this, don't worry about it because you want it to vent anyway. So just take your dough, fold it, and press it to seal the top and the bottom together. You can even take a fork and press them together. Now, I failed to mention that you should be preheating your oven to 500 degrees, because this is only going to take, 10 or 15 minutes. This is the first time I'm doing this, by the way. So I'm guessing on the temperature and time based on what it would take to make a pizza. It may not look pretty. I'm sure if I do it enough, I'll have it down. You can square it up. Take your fork, put some vent holes in it. Okay, so that looks like it's about done. It was sizzling. Again, that was 500. It was about 15 minutes. So you have to keep an eye on it. Okay, I'm going to cut into it. I think I'm going to cut this side. There you have it. Okay, we'll taste it, and then hopefully it's going to be what I remember it to be. Well, the actual sandwich. We're going to taste it, and hopefully it's going to be good. Alright, moment of truth. Yes, very good. I could probably next time put more of the meat in. Maybe the rest of it and the rest of the cheese. So anyway, I hope you try this. Didn't take long to make it all. And like I said, you don't need to make the dough. You can buy the pizza dough. You can get that ready stuff, and but just give it a try. It takes just as long to make this as it would to make a regular pizza. So it's a good quick meal. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and we'll be back here soon with another great recipe. Well, I had to come back. I'm eating it and I'm saying, no, it's like I can hardly taste the salami. And then I reflected on what I did and I forgot the salami. So yes, you would have to put salami in too. So, oh well, quesaroo. I guess I'll just have to make another one.